Welcome. Discussing end-of-life planning is never easy, but taking the time to understand your options is one of the most caring things you can do for your family. In this video, we are going to explore direct cremation. It is an option that is becoming increasingly popular because of its simplicity and affordability. Our goal is to demystify the process, explain the costs, and help you navigate these choices with confidence. Before we dive in, please keep in mind that the information shared here is purely educational and should not be considered legal or financial advice. Let us get started. At its core, direct cremation is the simplest and most straightforward disposition option available. It involves cremating the deceased shortly after passing, without the elaborate ceremonies of a traditional funeral. This means no embalming, no public viewing, and no formal service held beforehand. Because it skips these conventional steps, the procedure takes place quietly at a modern facility. This provides a dignified, minimalist alternative that completely removes the immediate emotional pressure and high financial costs often tied to standard funeral arrangements. Once complete, the cremated remains are respectfully returned directly to the family. Loved ones then have the total freedom to host a personalized memorial on their own timeline, scatter the ashes in a special outdoor location, or keep them safely at home in a beautiful vessel. One of the primary reasons families choose direct cremation is the significant cost savings. However, prices can vary based on your location and the provider. On average, across the United States, a direct cremation costs between $1,500 and $3,000. If you are working with a tight budget, you might find options ranging from $500 to $1,000. Conversely, in major metropolitan or higher cost areas, the service could range from $3,000 to $5,000. So, what exactly are you paying for? Direct cremation packages must clearly outline what is included. First, it covers the basic services of the funeral director and staff, like securing permits and filing the death certificate. It also covers the transfer of your loved one from the place of death to the crematory, along with any required sheltering or refrigeration prior to the process. Next, the fee includes the actual cremation process itself. It also covers an alternative cremation container. Since direct cremation does not require a formal casket, providers use a simple, dignified combustible container made of wood, heavy cardboard, or fiberboard. Finally, the cost includes the safe return of the cremated remains to the family. These are typically returned in a basic, temporary urn or a simple, respectful box. While you always have the option to purchase a decorative urn separately, the foundational cost of direct cremation ensures that all the essential, dignified steps are completely covered without any hidden surprises. To understand why direct cremation is so affordable, you need to know what is not included in the base price. By design, it skips traditional services. This means no embalming, no viewing or visitation, and no formal funeral ceremony before the process. Traditional caskets are also excluded, as a simple combustible container is used instead. Keep in mind that premium decorative urns, obituary placements, and the certified death certificates are usually extra fees. Stripping away these traditional add-ons is exactly how providers keep the cost structure so low, giving you a streamlined, essential service without the markup. While direct cremation skips the traditional ceremonies, the process itself is always handled with the utmost professionalism, dignity, and care. Let us walk through this simple 7-step journey together. Step 1 begins with contacting a funeral home or direct cremation provider immediately after your loved one's passing. Step 2 requires legal authorization. The designated next of kin must review and sign the necessary documents and cremation permits to proceed. Once the paperwork is initiated, Step 3 involves the dignified transfer of the deceased from the place of passing directly to the cremation facility. Step 4 involves a mandatory waiting period. Legally required in many states, this pause typically lasts between 24 to 48 hours. Following this, Step 5 is the actual cremation process. Taking place in a highly regulated, sterile environment, the cremation usually takes 2 to 3 hours to complete. Step 6 is the careful processing of the remains to ensure a consistent, fine texture. Finally, Step 7 is the return of the ashes. Within 7 to 10 days, the cremated remains are placed in a basic container or urn. They are then respectfully returned to the family, providing you the freedom to plan your own private memorial whenever you feel ready. Every family is unique. Many turn to direct cremation for deeply personal reasons. For some, affordability is key, allowing them to honor a loved one without financial strain. Others simply prefer a quiet, uncomplicated process. Direct cremation also offers the gift of time. Families can plan a separate memorial service when they are truly ready, or fulfill specific final wishes, like scattering ashes in a cherished location. Finally, many choose this option out of respect for the earth. With fewer resources required than traditional burial, it aligns perfectly with the desire to protect the environment. One common misconception about direct cremation is that it means skipping a memorial. In reality, it offers incredible flexibility. Without the time constraints of a traditional funeral, you have the freedom to plan a meaningful celebration of life on your own timeline. You can host a gathering at a place of worship, a community center, or arrange an intimate memorial right in your backyard. Many families choose natural settings like a favorite park or a calm beach, which also serve as peaceful locations if you decide to scatter the ashes. For families spread across the globe, virtual memorials are a beautiful alternative. Through a video call, loved ones can share stories, play music, and support each other from anywhere, ensuring everyone can be part of the final tribute. When arranging a direct cremation, empowering yourself with the right information is key. Under the FTC funeral rule, you have the legal right to obtain clear, transparent pricing over the phone. You don't need to visit the funeral home in person just to get a simple price quote. To ensure you get a fair deal, we recommend calling 3 to 4 different local providers. When you call, use the exact term, direct cremation. Always ask them to clearly break down their fees and verify exactly what is included in that price so you aren't caught off guard by hidden costs. If calling multiple funeral homes feels overwhelming, online resources can simplify the process. You can use platforms like funeralist.com to quickly search and compare local cremation providers. This allows you to review your options clearly and make an informed choice right from the comfort of your home. Direct cremation offers a dignified, affordable, and flexible way to honor your loved one. By separating the disposition from the memorial service, you gain the freedom to plan a heartfelt tribute on your own timeline without the pressure of traditional funeral expenses. Whether you choose a simple gathering or a grand celebration of life, the choice is entirely yours. Navigating end-of-life options doesn't have to be overwhelming. For more resources, comprehensive guides, and to compare trusted providers in your area, visit funeralassistance.com today. We are here to help you make informed, confident decisions during difficult times. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide to understanding direct cremation. Making end-of-life decisions is never easy, but being informed is the best way to ensure peace of mind for you and your loved ones. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. We are here to help. For more resources and to explore all your options in detail, please visit us online at funeralus.com. Thank you again for being here, and until next time, take care.